Hi Cancer! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon and nakakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na kaalaman or messages para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. Ano yung mga paparating na energies or messages and insights for Cancer. Ano yung mga gabay para sa Cancer. Okay. Messages, gabay. Energies for Cancer, please. Okay. For some of you, now you are ready to move on. Okay? You are gathering confidence sa sarili mo. Okay, you are seeking answers. You are receiving enlightenment in your situation. Okay, you are seeing the truth. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you will be taking a new direction. Okay. Yeah, may mga opportunities na binibigay sa inyo ay na-offer or someone is taking action towards you pero it's like parang hindi ka interesado. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, tinatamad kang gumalaw. Okay? Merong boredom. Okay? Discontentment. Yeah. Release harshness. Okay? You need to forgive. Okay? May sarili kang kakayahan to do anything. Okay? Yeah. Matapang ka, Cancer. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, mapagtiis. Yeah. For some, you need to forgive someone or forgive your situation. Forgive yourself. Tingnan natin. Nine of Wands. Yeah, Six of Pentacles. Okay. Maybe someone, baka merong someone na gustong lumapit sa inyo. Okay. Giving you attention, time, magko-communicate sa inyo. But it seems that you are ready. No? You are ready to move on. You are ready for a new beginning. New direction para sa inyo. Okay. Yeah, for some, financially, you will be receiving a favor. Bagong career opportunity. Nahihirapan na kayo sa sitwasyon. At then, merong bagong opportunity na ibibigay sa inyo. Okay. Maybe you will be receiving money, gifts, time, and attention for some of you. Okay. Tingnan natin. Ano tong na Six of Pentacles? Yeah. Job well done for you. Okay. Kung ano man yung mga sacrifices or nahirapan kayo sa inyong situation, yung mga sufferings mo, there is a new beginning for you. There is light at the end of the tunnel. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Merong joyful bliss and happiness that is well earned and well deserved. Cancer, you will be receiving it. Okay? Hermit, tingnan natin. Ano yung the Hermit for Cancer? Yeah, Four of Cups. Okay. Eight of Pentacles. Okay. Maybe someone wants to work things out with you but you are not interested anymore, or hindi mo na pinagtutuunan ng pansin or attention yon. You have gained clarity. Okay? Meron kang enlightenment na nangyari sa sitwasyon mo. Spiritual enlightenment and spiritual growth. Merong maturity sa part mo. Okay? You are focusing on work. You are focusing on your success. There is a breakthrough or victory na mangyayari sa inyo. Maybe sa trabaho mo, you are doing well. Merong success doon. Ace of Swords. Tingnan natin. Ace of Swords. Yeah. So, Three of Pentacles. Work. Success in work. Okay. Napapansin ang inyong galing sa inyong ginagawa, sa inyong craft. If you have a talent or skills, special talent or skills, you are doing well. It's a job well done for you. Okay? Victory, breakthroughs. Yeah. There is a new beginning for you pagdating sa trabaho or a new way of life. Okay? Yeah. Merong recognition sa inyong galing or high quality work. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, commitment about work. Okay? Someone also, or this work is giving you stability when it comes sa finances niyo or life in general. Okay? Someone is a bringer of success or good news. Meron kayong matatanggap na good news. Okay? Pagdating sa kaperahan, pagdating sa stability. Page of Cups. Yeah. There is an energy of young energy, young love, young person. Okay? There is a beginning of a relationship for some of you. Yeah, Queen of Swords. Yeah, you are clearing away all things that no longer serve you or serves you. Okay? You are, what do you call this? You are cutting cords. Okay? Sa mga hindi maganda na tao, na relasyon, or toxic people. Okay? You know what you want. Yeah, for some of you, there is someone na may gusto sa'yo. Okay? They will be communicating it to you. Yeah, Three of Wands. Okay? You are overcoming difficulties in life. Okay? Bringing you expansion. Okay? And abundance. Yeah, you are disconnecting from someone in order for you to expand and to grow in your career or sa trabaho mo. Queen of Cups. Okay. Maybe there is someone that is rushing towards you. Parang gusto magparamdam or express ang kanilang nararamdaman sa inyo. But then, you are now growing emotionally. You are emotionally matured. Okay? Stable ang inyong emosyon. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there is someone to take, someone na magtitake ng action towards you. And kailangan mong maging wise. Okay? At isipin mo ang inyong sariling kapakanan, ang inyong emotional stability. Okay? Man of Cups, Six of Swords. Yes. Because you are moving beyond past pains. Okay? Siguro meron kayong hindi magandang karanasan with this person. Aggressive na tao, okay? Yeah. Or maybe someone is troubling you, but you are moving forward. You are moving towards calmer waters. Okay? You are moving beyond past pains and conflict. Okay? There will be a new chapter in your life. The moon, tingnan natin yung the moon. Justice, okay? Kung dati parang uncertain ka, merong doubts kung anong mangyayari sa inyo or sa future nyo, ngayon, everything is okay. Nagkaroon na ng hustisya, ng justice sa inyong sitwasyon. It's like parang alam mo na kung ano yung mali sa isang sitwasyon and you are moving forward, okay? Yes. Yeah. Parang naisip mo dati yung mga hindi maganda na ginawa sa inyo ng certain person, mga wrongdoings, yung mga hindi fair, okay? And now there is clarity. You are doing the right thing for you. Ano tong justice? Yeah, Ace of Wands. There is a new beginning for you. New job or career advancement. There is an opportunity for you to expand. Okay. Yeah. And grow. Most especially if you are doing a creative work or creative passion or passion project, you're doing that. There is expansion and growth, no? Sa ganyang aspeto. Yeah. You are now free from what once bound you. Okay? Parang nagkaroon ka ng freedom doon sa isang sitwasyon na parang feeling mo hindi ka makalabas sa ganong dilemma, okay? Or sa ganong situation, sa ganong darkness. So now you found justice, nagkaroon ka ng freedom. There is a new beginning for you. New exciting endeavor, okay? Something exciting. An opportunity. Okay? Now you are taking a new direction, Cancer. Okay? Yeah, may mga opportunities sa'yo when it comes to arts and creativity. Okay? So, be original sa inyong ginagawa. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you are taking a chance in life. Okay? You are looking forward to it for the future. Okay? The Hermit. Okay? Merong enlightenment. You are guided spiritually in this direction. Cancer. Kung ano man to. Bagong direction, bagong opportunity for you. You are guided spiritually. There is wisdom and enlightenment. Okay? In that situation. Ano to? The Hermit. The High Priestess. Okay? Yeah, so there is expansion. So there is also awakening. Use your 5 senses. Yeah, use your intuition. Listen, trust your intuition for this opportunity, Cancer. 4 of Cups. What is 4 of Cups for Cancer? Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest kung hindi para sa inyo. King of Pentacles. Merong offer sa inyo. Maybe you want to see that opportunity. Maybe parang ini-ignore mo yun for quite some time. then maybe it's time for you to see it, check on it, okay? Yeah. There is an opportunity for you. Accept it confidently. You will be successful in that opportunity or area. Okay? Kaperahan. You will be increasing your money. King of Swords. Okay? Take the leadership. Speak your mind. Okay? Kung meron kayong mga questions or ano, say it. Okay? If you're not sure about it, talk. Speak. Kung meron kayong clarifications. Yeah, for some of you, you're having critical mind over a situation or over an opportunity. Okay. So, kailangan mo ng clear thinking, okay, and communication on this opportunity na ino-offer or i-offer pa lang sa inyo, okay? You need to see it clearly. Tingnan natin yung strength. Three of Cups. Yeah, so there is stability in your thoughts, in your actions, okay? In your emotions. Yeah, so be confident in your situation, okay? Kasi merong promotion na celebration na mangyayari. Okay? Yeah, and you are moving forward. You know better, okay? Or there is something better for you, okay? You know what's best for you, Cancer, okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are moving away from a third party situation, and it's giving you strength and stability in your emotion, okay, in your action, in your emotion at the same time, okay? Nagkakaroon ka ng lakas ng loob at kakayahan. You are releasing also forgiveness, okay, and harsh judgment, okay, towards your situation, towards yourself, or towards other people, okay? You know there's moving on because you know you deserve better, Cancer. Okay? Additional message for Cancer. Spiritual work. Open your heart to a spiritual career and heal the human heart. You are a light worker, Cancer. Gift. You will discover new talents that will lead to new opportunities. Use opportunities that arise. One more. Direction. Do not deviate from your path. Attract a mentor if necessary. Plan where you want to be. Okay? You need a direction also. Plan where you want to be. Okay? So, may mga opportunities na darating sa inyo. Okay? You have to check it, see it. Okay? You don't want to miss that opportunity. Diba? Cancer. Additional message from the angels for Cancer. Black out distractions. Your life purpose and other priorities need your undivided attention. So it's time for you to take charge of your schedule and working environment by turning off electronics and avoiding anyone or anything that distracts you from what's important. You already know that these distractions are, and you have the power to responsibly block them out. Okay? So these are the messages for you, Cancer. Maraming salamat sa iyo, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!